Hey guys, Randy here with Randy Sits Golf. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I'm just an average golfer. I'm a 5 handicap, and I went to Kaiser University, got a degree in golf management, and during that time went over a lot of golf instructional stuff on a couple of semesters, and just became really intrigued with golf instruction. And so I've just really been refocusing on my own swing and going through some swing changes. Better compress the ball, more consistency, stuff like that. So if you enjoy things like that, it's kind of what I share on the channel is my aha moments, things that help me get better on the golf course. And one of the things I want to share with you today is, compression and shaffling through impact. How do we get there? A lot of people say it's no big deal, but everybody on tour, they can all compress the ball. I mean, phenomenally, right? And then most of us amateurs, we're coming through and we're here. Once this club passes my hand, then I'm flipping. I'm here. I mean, I really want my hand to be passing the ball first and then my club, not vice versa. And it's tough, man. It is. It's really tough. One of the things I think can help you, if you're like the majority of us that are getting down here through impact and flipping and the balls are going higher, right, is get up next to the wall. I know from this angle it's going to be tough to see, but I'm going to get up to the wall and I want to be able to pull my club down without hitting the wall. So I want to get close enough to a wall that, I'm going to hit it in my backswing. There's no way not to. But when I get up here in my upswing, I want to be able to fire down without hitting it on my downswing. And what that's doing is I'm taking a big arc going back and then this little arc circle coming into the ball. And that's going to help me. If you look at Tiger Woods, Justin Thomas, all those guys, look at their backswing. There's a big arc coming back this way. And then their downswing, that arc, the club head shortens. And that's allowing them to stay ahead of the ball and create that shaffling. So, let me give it a try here. And the other important thing in your backswing is making sure we're getting our lead shoulder at least to the ball, if not behind the ball. We don't want to be over here because that's just going to promote that over the top feeling. All right, let me get a good grip on it. See, I'm thinking about having that wall right there, not on my way back, but certainly on my way through. That felt really good. It felt like I compressed the ball. I'll just show you real quick what that was. Nice little tight draw. 83 mile an hour club head speed. I'm hitting a 9-iron. 105 ball speed. Not a great smash factor, but I'll take it. Total carry was 139 with only a little over a yard rollout. So very good golf shot. Happy with that. So, and that's just working on that feeling of shortening. So instead of on that backswing going long out here and then coming back long and then doing that. Now, I don't know if I was able to compress the ball or what my hands look like on that. I'll go back and look at it in a minute. But it felt a whole lot better. That contact felt phenomenal. Now, I still may have flipped it a little bit because I do that, but I'm just telling you that felt awesome. So probably not there yet, but I'm getting there. So that's all golf's about, right? Is just making these little improvements, little by little, improving your game, improving your score, and getting the ball in the hole in lesser strokes than you did the last time around. came over the top on that one a little bit. Not my best swing there. All right, thinking about that wall behind me, a good backswing, shoulder behind the ball, and don't hit the wall on the way down. All right, much better than the last one I just hit. So 84 mile an hour swing speed, 108 ball speed, overhooked that a little bit. 145 carry with just a little over 2 yard rollout. I mean, I'm not mad at that. I'll take that all day long. You're looking at a guy that's always hit the ball to the right, always faded the ball, or sliced the ball, if you will. And so I'm learning to keep that. If you look at my club path over here, to come from inside to out. So I'm getting it to stay in that 2.7 range. And then my face to path is 2.4, and my face angle to the path was 1.3 degrees from open. So the negative number means I'm coming from right to left or closed, and then the positive number means I'm going from in to out, swing speed wise. So on TrackMan data. It may be reverse on Flight Scope, I forget. All right, so I think once again it's a really good drill. Let's do this real quick. I'll set it up so you can kind of see maybe a better idea. Let's see if you can see the wall there, and you can. Good. So I'm hitting the wall, normal backswing, and I'm gonna move just a little bit closer, and now I'm just gonna take it up to the top. So what I wanna do now is I want to move my hips. Look at this. This moves me away a little bit, and then continue to come down holding that right arm connected to my rib cage, and then throw, and then almost feel like I'm trying to hit up on the ball, because I don't want to hold too much shaft. I gotta let it go at some point, right? So we'll take it up. Let's see if I can do it. I'm in position. Yep, just like that. Did not hit the wall on the way down. So that's a good feel. And then if you can transition that into your golf swing, I think that's going to help you not flip through the ball. All right, if things like this help, guys, please think about hitting the like button or supporting the channel by subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'll continue to try to do some little aha moments here every couple weeks or so. Look forward to seeing you again. All right, once again, it's Randy Sids Golf. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye.